This is number 79 in our Chapter 5 review, where we're asked to simplify and express the final answer using only positive exponents. Well, this problem just involves multiplication. So if we multiply 4 by 5, we get 20. And we know that when we multiply two variables that are alike, we must add their exponents. So we're going to have x to the 1/2 plus 1/5 power. Well, to add exponents, we have to have common denominators. Our least common denominator here would be 10. So we have to multiply top and bottom of the first fraction by 5 to get 10 in the bottom. And we have to multiply the top and bottom of the second fraction by 2 to get 10 on the bottom. So we'll have 20 x to the 5/10 plus 2/10 is x to the 7/10 power.